Hello everyone, this is Navanita. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces. Topic Lense-Maker's formula. Now here the Lense-Maker's formula is 1 by f equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Yes, it is important for ray optics. We can decide focal length of lens. Yes. Here in this diagram we are using biconvex lens. Yes, this is the biconvex lens and this is the first refracting surface and this is the second refracting surface. Now we place object on the principal axis. Now, here the first refracting surface have radius of curvature is r1. So, this first refracting surface have the sphere is like this. So, this is the first refracting surface r1 and the second refracting surface contains sphere like this. So, this radius of curvature is r2. So, this first refracting surface have the radius of curvature as positive and the second refracting surface have the radius of curvature negative. Right? Now, here a point object is placed on the principal axis at a point. Now, here this is a point object. Now, here the ray is incident from this point object O and it strikes at the first refracting surface of the lens. This point is the A. Here, when there is no second refractive surface, this light ray passes in this direction. Yes, and it will form image as the I dash. Yes, when there is no second refracted surface. On the principal axis, here the object will be, the image will be formed. This is the I dash here. Yes, now, here the ray will refracts through the second refracted surface. Yes, now here from point B the refracted ray will passes and it meets one point on the principal axis. So, that is image of the second refracted surface, that is I. Here this I is a refracted ray of second refracted lens surface. Yes, here I dash is a first refracted ray. Yes, it emerging from the point A, I dash. Here I is emerging from point B. Here what is the object for this I dash? Yes, here to the image I dash, the object is the O and for this image I, object is the I dash. Yes, to this second refracted ray, the object is I dash and for the first refracting ray, the object is a O. Here the distance from P to O is the object distance, and the distance from P to I is the image distance of second refracted surface, and from P to I dash is the image distance of first refracting surface, that is X. Here NA and NB are the two refractive index of this convex biconvex lens. Here NA is the refractive index of this biconvex lens, that means in surrounding medium. This is the NA is the surrounding medium, and here NB. So here NB is the refractive of material of the lens, refractive index of the material of the lens. Okay, and here R1 and R2 are the radius of curvature. Now, yes, here O is a point object, R1 radius of curvature of first refracting surface, and R2 radius of curvature of second refracting surface. Right? Now, I1 equals to image due to first refracting surface. This I1 is the image due to first refracting surface, and I1 acts as object due to second refracting surface, and I is image formed by second refracting surface. Now, we know N2 by N1 minus, here N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R. So, we derived this equation in the previous class for the image formation of curved surfaces, right? So, that is N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R. Now, for first refracting surface, N1 equals to NA and N2 equals to NB. And for first refracting surface, radius of curvature is plus R, right? And image object distance U equals to minus U, because there I am applying sign convention, and V equals to my X. Now substitute all these values in this equation 1. Here N2 is a NB by V, V equals to X, minus N1 equals to NA by U equals to minus U, equals to NB minus NA by R1. Here R equals to plus R1. Now, here NB by X plus NA by U equals to NB minus NA by R1. This is the equation 2 for the first refracting surface. Now, for second refracting surface, we will use the same formula here. Now, we have to substitute all the values in the same formula for the second refracting surface also. Here, for the second refracting surface, the light ray travels from, that means the light ray refracted from NB to NA. Okay. So, this is the NB is the first refracting surface and NA is the second refracting surface now. Okay, NB is the first refractive index. Now NA is the second refractive index here. So we can take NA1 equals to NB and N2 equals to NA, and radius of curvature for second refracting surface is minus R2, and U equals to X and V equals to V. Now here when we substitute all the values in equation 1, we will get here NA by V minus NB by X equals to NA minus NB by minus R2. So take this as equation 3 here. Now when we add equation 2 and 3, we will get here. What is the equation 2? Here equation 2 is NB by X plus NA by U equals to NB minus NA by R. This is the second equation. And third equation, NA by U, NA by V minus NB by X equals to NA minus NB by minus R2. Now, here in these two equations, NB by X is common. Yes, so here in equation 2 we have plus NB by X. In equation 3 we have minus NB by X. So these two becomes 0. So then we can write here NA by U plus NA by V equals to NB minus NA by R1 minus NA minus NB by R2. Now, here in this NA is common. So here I have taken NA common. So we'll get 1 by U plus 1 by V, which equals to, here also NB minus NA is common. So NB minus NA taken out. So we'll get 1 by R1. Here NB minus NA. Here this minus minus becomes plus. So we'll get 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Yes, now here from this we can write, here I want to divide total this equation by NA. Divide this equation by NA. So we'll get here NA gets cancelled. Yes, so this divide with NA and this will total divide by NA. So NA gets cancelled. So 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to NB minus NA by NA of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here we can also write 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to, here from this we can write here NB. Here 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to NB by NA minus NA by NA of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here NA gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to NB by NA minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. So this is derived for specific case for the convex lens. Okay. So this is derived for specific case for the convex lens. So we need to generalize this relation. For this we use sign convention. So if you want to use for any lens, we have to apply sign convention. Okay. Now, So here from this we can write here 1 by V minus, so when we apply the sign convention, so you can observe the diagram carefully here. Now when we apply sign convention here, we know we measure the distance from pole, right? So here from P to O is the object distance, from P to I is the image distance. Here when we apply sign convention, we will get PO equals to minus U. That means object distance U equals to, will get minus U, and V equals to, will get plus V. Yes, now. So by applying sign conventions here, we will get 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to NB by NA minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Here why we are taking minus means, so R1 is the first refracting surface of radius of curvature, that is positive, and R2 is radius of curvature of second refracting surface, that is negative. So here I have taken minus 1 by R2. Yes, now this is a Lensmaker's formula. Here, but from Lenz formula we can write 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Now instead of 1 by V minus 1 by U, we can write 1 by F here. Yes? Now, so we'll get 1 by F equals to NB by NA minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So here, this NB is a refractive index of material of the lens. Na is a refractive index of surrounding medium. That means here surrounding medium is, if air, we know refractive index of air equals to 1. So we can take here Na equals to 1. So from this we can write 1 by F equals to NB minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Yes, so here this NB is a refractive index of material, and R1 and R2 are the radius of curvature. Yes, so NB is a refractive index of material of lens. So we can write here only one refractive index. So 1 by F equals to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is a Lensmaker's formula. We can use it for any lens. Okay. So here by applying sign convention to this specific case, we can use this for any lens.